time has come and CA elections are very near. I am CA Navya Malhotra, having ballot number 24, is contesting for the Northern Indian Regional Council elections, that is NIRC. To give a very brief background about myself, I have done my training from Thakur Vaidyanath Iyer, post which I got an opportunity to work with KPMG India and Ernst& Young India for a very short while. Currently, I am a partner with VK Dhingra and Company, Chartered Accountants, New Delhi, and heading their indirect tax vertical. In the initial days of my career, I got an opportunity to serve the students via GST training, workshops, and training camps. There I got a chance to serve 10,000 plus students with a mere objective to not only empower them with the knowledge but to empower them with a skill set to perform better in the industry. I have been deliberating to the members via training workshops on GST and given around 350 plus workshops all across India. I have been elected as a special invitee to the Indirect Tax Committee of the Institute, wherein I also got an opportunity to release a handbook on advanced rulings. Thank you to the Institute for such a beautiful opportunity. Currently, I am a special invitee to the CDITS WTO committee of the Institute. I also have published a handbook on fake invoicing related GST issues. I have been a founding member to an association named ITRA, where we got chance to collect 150 members all across the globe, including countries like Canada, Australia, Hungary, and UK. I am contesting regional council elections with an objective to serve you with all honesty, loyalty, and integrity of mind. My vision is to give you all sets of technology empowerment, research cells, and also to give you chance to serve wherein you can exhaust opportunities in a better manner that are existing in the today's world. I want to bring a feeling of unity all amongst the members. I also want to connect all the members and give them a better networking and licensing platforms. My simple and mere objective is to bring my region on top, wherein I can give you the better infrastructure, better results, and better opportunities. Let me be the voice you need, be the leader you want, and the change you want to see. Give me an opportunity to serve you. My ballot number is 24. My hand folded request to all of you to give me an opportunity to serve all the members. Let me be the voice. Let me be the change you need. Let me be the 24 hours dedication leader you want to see. Thank you.